Leonardo DiCaprio has once again proven why he's one of Hollywood's most beloved stars. At the highly anticipated premiere of One Battle After Another, the Oscar-winning actor stopped to meet an absolute mob of fans. And trust me, it was a moment to remember. The red carpet was buzzing last night with A-listers, flashing lights, and non-stop excitement. But when Leonardo DiCaprio stepped out, the crowd went absolutely wild. Fans lined up hours in advance just to catch a glimpse of the superstar. And Leo, being the class act he is, didn't disappoint. Instead of rushing inside, DiCaprio took his time greeting fans, signing posters, taking selfies, and even sharing a few quick laughs with people in the crowd. That's the kind of star power and humility that makes him stand out. Security had their hands full keeping things under control, but Leo handled the chaos like a pro. He was calm, cool, and clearly enjoying the moment. And after making sure as many fans as possible got a signature or selfie, Leo finally headed inside at the premiere of One Battle After Another. The film is already generating huge buzz, with critics calling it one of Leo's most intense performances yet. And judging by the energy at the premiere, this movie is going to be a massive event. So, what do you think of Leonardo DiCaprio's fan-first attitude? Do you love how he always takes the time to connect with people? Or do you think he should keep it low-key at these high-pressure events? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more red carpet moments, and turn on notifications so you never miss a star-studded update. Until next time, see you at the movies.